The defense of the city of Magna Bonum was a success. The orcs caught us off our guard, but not unprepared. I will not underestimate these aliens again. It is clear now that their primary push was towards the capital city, and they have moved in to attack with a speed I have rarely seen a military force capable of achieving. I have read reports of orc clans who focus on fast strikes, but I did not realize they could be so coordinated. It is as if something is driving the orcs here, some unknown desire or instinct. The Imperial Guard regiments watching over the city are decimated and will not be resupplied for at least 24 hours. The orcs will renew their attacks far sooner. Our scouts are reporting a force massing 50 kilometers from the city that dwarfs the group that attacked Magna Bonum, and reports from civilians speak of a mighty orc who leads them, bigger and more cunning than the rest. If the capital city falls, this planet will not be far behind. I cannot allow this to occur.
Everything is ready, boss. Them Humies is in for a good stomping. This is gonna be the best fight of their miserable lives.
Just make sure it's the last fight of their lives.
I don't take orders from you, Humie.
We've held up our side of the bargain, have we not? You wanted a new planet to wage war on, and we have given it to you. You wanted to face the Imperium's greatest warriors, the Space Marines. They are here. We've even provided you with weapons and Imperial tanks to use on the battlefield. And all we ask in return is that you keep the Imperials distracted from our operations here.
You've kept your word. But that still don't mean you can order the orcs around.
My apologies. We've delivered the last of the weaponry. They're in the hands of your servants. We'll take our leave now. I respectfully request that you keep the Marines busy for as long as you can.
We'll keep them more than busy. We'll keep them dead.
The thought of kowtowing to these creatures disgusts me. The orcs are a tool, nothing more. And quite an effective one, I might add. Perhaps. But I dislike providing such unpredictable aliens with our own weaponry. Lord Bale. Orcs are not unpredictable. Quite the contrary. You can rely on them to turn against you. But they will honor our agreement as long as we provide them with enemies to satiate their battle lust. If we intimidated them into doing our bidding, showed them our strength, they would take pause before betraying us. You cannot intimidate something that knows no fear. Trouble yourself no longer with the orcs. We will have what we came for and be gone before they finish with the Imperials and turn on us.
Why is we talking with them humies instead of fighting with them? Them smelly chaos boys is weak. Not nearly enough of a challenge for the boys. If they were strong like orcs, they wouldn't need us to fight for them. We'll take their guns and their help, and when we're done chopping up all the humies, we'll come back here and chop them up as well.
Orbital imagery shows a heavy concentration of orcs in the area. We must secure a location and establish a base before destroying the war boss and his clan. Cleanse this area. Combine the holy fire of the whirlwinds with the jump packs of our assault marines.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. Preparing whirlwind missile battery to move in here. They will never see it coming.
Fear denies faith. Activating jump pack. Taking heavy fire for the Emperor. Engaging the enemy. Engaging the enemy.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. They will never see it coming.
What's your order? What's your order?
Our scouts report the war boss is in the vicinity of this location. It seems a second orc clan has gathered between us. They are heavily defended on this plateau. They must be eliminated to clear a path to the war boss.
At your command. Direct us to the enemy. Cleanse, purge, kill! Faith is our shield. Fear denies faith. Fear our wrath. Objective acquired.
Here to serve. Yes, most beneficent one. With all due haste.
Faith is our shield.
I stand ready.
The area is secure.
I await your instructions.
What's your order? Maintain attack formation. Orders received.
Scouts reporting for duty. Scouts ready. Commencing infiltration.
Yes, my lord.
At your command, I sense danger. We will root it out. Gathering intelligence. On patrol. Gathering intelligence. Search commencing.
Assault marines are now available to us. They can be built from the chapel barracks. This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Yes, Lord? Yes, Lord? I will do as you ask.
There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of guilt.
Scouts ready.
Awaiting orders.
Yes, most beneficent one. Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 7
On alert, brothers.
initiated.
The enemy must be nearby.
I await your instructions. Build routine 721
Heresy grows from
initiated.
idleness.
Scouts awaiting orders. We will
Under
move ahead
fire.
and mark any enemy positions. Yes, my lord.
Marine squad deployed.
Gathering intelligence.
Yes, my lord. To the skies.
Scouts ready. Getting into position.
What's your order? Objective log.
Yes, my lord. Commencing infiltration.
We stand ready.
I await your instructions.
My faith is my shield. Taking command. I stand ready.
What's your order? Mission accomplished. Orders received, brother. The enemy is your command. To the skies. At your command. Marine squad deployed. To the rally point! Fear denies faith. Cleanse, purge, kill! Heresy grows from idleness.
Scouts in position. Attack! Commencing infiltration. Scouts awaiting orders. Gathering intelligence.
Yes, my lord. We stand ready. Maintain attack formation.
Scouts ready. Scouts advance.
Yes, Lord? As you wish.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Heresy grows from idleness.
Scouts here. On patrol.
Ever vigilant.
There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of guilt.
Yes, Lord?
The
Taking
Emperor
damage.
protects. For the Emperor.
What's your order? Maintain attack formation. Initiating attack protocol 23.
Praise the Emperor.
Direct us to the enemy.
The Emperor protects. We shall know no fear. Faith and duty. Space Marines, advance! By my command, attack! Follow my lead. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. Today the enemy shall know fear. Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. Praise the Emperor. This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, the machine cult is ready to be requisitioned. Build it to gain access to vehicles. My aim shall not falter. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. Agreed. For the glory of the Emperor. Today the enemy shall know fear. We are united in his service. Praise the Emperor. For the honor of the chapter. I serve mankind.
Yes, Lord? I will do as you ask.
Praise the Emperor. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. Today the enemy shall know fear.
Taking damage.
What would you have me do? This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. For terror. For terror. My aim shall not falter. What would you have me do? We are united in his service. We shall know no fear. I shall not fail. We shall know no fear. Space Marines, advance! By my command, attack!
Under fire!
Walk softly and carry a big gun. This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. What would you have me do? Walk softly.
We must fall back
and carry a big gun.
Knowledge is power. Hide it well. There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of guilt.
While the enemies of
My
the
mind
Emperor
is
still draw
focused
breath
and
there
ready
can
for
be
action.
No peace. Follow me into battle.
We must fall back.
You will
I know no
stand
fear.
your ground. Praise the Emperor. He who stands with me shall be my brother.
I await your instructions. I await your instructions. Yes, most beneficent one, I await your instructions. With all due haste.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. Confirmed. For the honor of the chapter. By my command, attack! Follow my lead. For the honor of the chapter.
An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. My faith is my shield.
Awaiting orders.
Scouts in position.
Fear denies faith.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Area secured.
I stand ready. Feel my wrath.
What would you have me do?
Venerate the immortal Emperor. Venerate the immortal Emperor. Fear not the Psyker.
Fear denies faith.
Here to serve.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Mind over matter.
We stand ready. Target their vehicles.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Ever vigilant. Understood. Destroy the fire! At your command. Orders received.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
My knowledge is at your disposal.
For the glory of the Imperium. Maintain attack formation. Weapons at ready. It is time. Onward to glory!
At your command. Search commencing.
Knowledge is power. Hide it well.
Understood.
At once.
Yes, my lord. We will crush the enemies
Knowledge
of
is
the
power.
Imperium.
Hide it well.
Here to serve. Initializing build protocol. Yes, Lord?
I stand ready.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. By my command, attack!
The enemy is attacking! Awaiting orders.
Fear not the Psyker. An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded. There is no such thing as
Scouts ready.
innocence.
Direct us to the enemy.
An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded.
Charge!
I will destroy their minds and burn their bodies. I shall never tire. Mind over matter.
Whirlwinds and their long-range artillery are being made available. Build them from the machine cult.
Do I detect uncertainty in your purpose?
Charge!
I will destroy their minds and burn their bodies. I can sense the enemy. They are close. There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of hate. My knowledge is at your disposal.
I await your instructions.
Walk softly and carry a big gun. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. My power armor. We are united in his service.
Yes, Lord?
Venerate the immortal Emperor.
He who stands with me shall be my brother. Follow my lead.
I stand ready.
Whirlwind artillery tank
Feel my
deployed.
wrath. Mind over matter.
Whirlwind here. His will be done.
Yes, my lord. Preparing to place target. Awaiting orders. Taking heavy fire. Preparing to place targets. At your command. Destroy the armor. Fall back! Initiating attack protocol 23. We stand ready.
Fear not, Psycho. Venerate the immortal Emperor.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. As you command.
Heresy grows from idleness. Orders received.
Whirlwind here. They will never see it coming.
I stand ready.
We are the Emperor's chosen. The enemy is attacking!
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself. Take me into battle.
For the glory of the Imperium. Attacking as ordered.
Venerate the immortal Emperor.
Marine squad
Whirlwind
deployed.
here. As you command. An easy objective. His will be done.
Direct us to the enemy.
Yes, Lord?
Praise the Emperor.
Venerate the immortal Emperor.
Marine squad deployed. Direct us to the enemy.
My knowledge is at your disposal. Through discipline, we
Whirlwind artillery
prevail.
tank here.
My knowledge is at your
Whirlwind
disposal.
artillery
The
tank
enemy
here.
is attacking! Heresy grows from idleness.
I am the instrument of his will.
Venerate the immortal Emperor. Through the destruction of our enemies do we
Never
earn our
vigilant.
salvation.
To the skies! Preparing to place targets. At your command.
are the Emperor's chosen. Orders received, brother. What is your order? Never attack formation.
An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and
At your
unguarded.
command. Orders received, brother.
There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of
Faith
guilt.
is our shield. Direct us to the enemy.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. Approaching target.
Fear not the psycho.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. An easy whirlwind here.
Taking hits.
Venerate the immortal emperor.
Whirlwind here.
I stand ready.
Whirlwind here.
Yes, my lord. Under fire.
We will establish a forward base at this location to facilitate ready access to Space Marines. We will need many to ensure the war boss is dead and buried. Thermoplasma generators are available. They will provide us greater
What's your
access
order?
to power.
Hope is the first step on the road to disappointment.
Yes, Lord. I exist to serve.
At your command.
Hope is the first step on the road to disappointment.
Direct us to the enemy.
I await your instructions with all due haste.
Direct us to the enemy.
Whirlwind artillery tank here.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
I stand ready.
I am the instrument of his will.
Faith is our shield. We are the Emperor's chosen.
I am the instrument of his will. Even in death I still serve. Your end is at hand.
I will destroy their minds and burn their bodies.
Beware the alien. The heretic.
Returning to battle.
Today the enemy shall know fear.
Fear not the psycho. An open mind is like a
One morale
fortress with its
restored.
gates unbarred and unguarded.
Recruit! Fall back and regroup! Regrouping.
My knowledge is at your disposal.
Regrouping.
I am the instrument of his will.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
Even in death I still serve. I am ready to serve again. At last, back I have awoken.
Faith is our
An
shield.
open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded.
Whirlwind artillery tank here.
Faith is our shield. Onward to glory! Taking damage.
Even in death I still serve.
Hope is the first step on the road to disappointment. An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded.
I await your instructions.
Returning to battle.
My knowledge is at your disposal. I stand ready.
Awaiting orders.
Yes, most beneficent one?
Whirlwind artillery tank here. Moving out.
Taking damage.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. The machine spirit is prepared.
Knowledge is power. Hide it well. I will destroy their minds and burn their
It is
bodies.
better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Whirlwind artillery tank here. Whirlwind artillery tank here.
Knowledge is power. Hide it well. I serve.
Even in death I still serve. It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Here to serve. With all due haste.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Taking damage.
I can sense the enemy. They are close. With courage and honor. Knowledge is power. Hide it well.
I am the instrument of his will. Faith is eternal.
With courage and honor. None can stand before us.
Faith is eternal.
Ever vigilant. Maintain attack formation. We stand ready.
I await your instructions. I await your instructions. With all due haste.
At your command. Heresy grows from idleness. Captured.
I am ready to serve again. I am ready to serve again. To me, my brothers.
Here to serve. I exist to serve.
What's your order? Maintain attack formation. For the Emperor! Fear denies faith.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live
I
for
stand
yourself.
ready. Do I detect uncertainty in your purpose? Mind over matter.
Here to serve. Yes, Lord.
Look at that monstrosity. I have heard legends of such beasts, but I've never seen one. Men, concentrate your fire. We must take this creature down.
Even in death I still serve.
Orders received. Moving out. Regrouping. Fear denies faith.
Fear not the Psyker.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself. Burn, at last, back to war.
I stand ready. Venerate the immortal Emperor. I can sense the enemy. They are close.
Fear denies faith.
At last, back to war.
I shall never tire.
It is better to die for the Emperor
I
than live
stand
for
ready.
yourself.
The enemy is
It is
attacking.
better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
I await your instructions.
Venerate the immortal Emperor.
Faith is eternal. I will crush those who stand before me.
Here to serve. I shall obey. What is your will?
Hope is the first step on the road to disappointment.
Marine
No
squad
such thing
deployed.
as innocence, only degrees of guilt. An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded. With me, brothers.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Onward to glory.
I shall not
We stand
die on
ready.
this day.
To the skies. Marine squad deployed. Preparing to place targets. Destroy the armor.
I have awoken.
Direct us to the enemy.
To me, my
Fall
brother!
back and regroup. To the skies. Yes, my lord.
Fear not the Psyker. Mind over matter.
At your command.
I shall not die on this day. My will is undone!
Do I detect
open mind
answers like a
is
fortress
regroup!
with its gates unbarred and unguarded?
What is your order? Understood. Taking heavy fire.
Through the destruction of our enemies do we earn our salvation.
Ever vigilant.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
What is your order?
The Emperor protects.
Heresy grows from idleness. Cleanse, purge, kill.
I stand ready. can sense the enemy. They are close.
Squad broken! Marine squad deployed.
Beware the
Attack protocol 23.
The heretic. My power armor will protect.
Our faith holds us. Fall back and regroup!
Withdraw and regroup!
Squad morale restored. Marine squad deployed.
Brothers! Regroup!
Engaging the enemy. Fear denies faith. Fear our wrath.
Yes, most beneficent one?
Heresy grows from idleness. Heresy grows from
I am the
idleness.
instrument of his will.
Praise the Emperor.
Moving out.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Orders received, brother. Cleanse, purge, kill!
Today the enemy shall know fear. Today the enemy shall know fear.
Under fire shall stop us. Moving out. Cleanse, purge, kill! Onward to glory! Onward to glory! Understood. Charge! Onward to glory! None shall stop us. Taking damage. Charge! Charge! Commencing attack. What is your order?
Praise the Emperor.
Cleanse, purge, kill! For the glory of the Imperium.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Cleanse, purge, kill! Objective log.
Faith is eternal. Moving out.
Charge! Regroup!
What would you like?
Weapons at ready. It is time. Taking heavy fire. Cleanse, purge, kill! Fall back and regroup! Fear our wrath. Our faith holds us.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
I am the instrument of his will. Take me into battle. I will be there soon. I will purge the unclean. Identifying targets.
Taking hits!
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Understood. Maintain attack formation. Charge! Orders received, brothers. Under fire! Orders received. Stay vigilant, brothers. Engaging the enemy. Weapons at ready. It is time.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Moving out. Stay vigilant, brothers.
At last, back to war. Identifying targets.
None shall stop us. Onward to glory! Cleanse, purge, kill!
Faith is eternal.
Praise the Emperor.
Commencing attack. Onward to glory! The enemy is attacking!
Burn, heretic. Identifying targets.
Engaging the enemy.
At last, back to war. I will purge the unclean.
He who stands with me shall be my brother. Today the enemy shall know fear. Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Our faith holds
This
us.
day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. Today the enemy shall know fear.
Command me. I am the instrument of his
Today
will.
the enemy shall know fear. Today the enemy shall know fear.
At last, back to war. Take me into battle. Take me
Taking heavy
into battle.
fire.
I will purge the unclean.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
I am ready to serve again. Identifying targets.
Praise the Emperor.
Faith is eternal.
Maintain attack formation.
Brother Tantheus.
Burned beyond recovery of his gene seed, along with Brother Michaelis. Nothing was left of them save for ash. They burned from the inside out.
Anything else to report?
The Orc warboss has been destroyed, but we saw a dropship leave the area. Captain, she bore the 8-pointed star.
The mark of the ruinous powers of chaos.
The forces of chaos? Here? Now?
Tartarus has endured several Black Crusades led by the terrible Chaos Champions. However, it seems too convenient that orcs and these heretics are here at the same time. But I trust the eyes of our scouts. Isidore, do you sense anything?
No, I have sensed nothing. But if the nature of Brother Tantheus' demise is any indication, then they would have a sorcerer with them who would be capable of masking their presence, especially with all the background static caused by the orcs.
Our honored guest has arrived.
Who is it?
Inquisitor Mordecai Toth, protector of the Emperor's divine word and will.
Is he here to take command?
An Inquisitor may have near unlimited power. Yes, he can commission the service of any Imperial citizen, from peasant to planetary governor, but
I shall not cede command of my Space Marines to him, Inquisitor or not.
Then why is he here? Does he suspect one of us of heresy?
He is an Inquisitor. They suspect everyone of heresy. If chaos taints this world, then that explains his presence. We must share with him what we discovered. Inquisitor Toth, welcome to Tartarus.
Thank you, Captain. But we have little time for courtesies. You and your men must leave Tartarus now.